Have you ever wondered why Windows File Explorer doesn't show folder sizes in the size column? What if I told you there is a way to enable that? Let me show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to Valley 4 Techs. File Explorer is great for managing files, but it falls short when it comes to folders. For example, when we look at the size column, it only shows size data for individual files, and nothing for folders. Why is this, and can we change it? Stay tuned as we delve into the why, and reveal a simple tweak that makes folder sizes visible. Let's start with the big question. Why doesn't Microsoft let us see folder sizes directly? It's all about performance. Microsoft avoids this feature because calculating the size of folders, especially those with many subfolders and files, requires significant system resources. Imagine opening a drive with dozens of folders, each containing gigabytes of files. If Windows calculated all these sizes in real time, your system's performance would be negatively affected. However, Windows provides two ways to find out the size of a folder. The first is by hovering over the folder, and after a few moments, Windows will display the size of the folder in a tooltip. The second is by right-clicking on the folder, selecting the Properties option, and then waiting for Windows to calculate the total size of the files inside that folder. But let's be honest, these solutions aren't ideal, especially when doing this for multiple folders. It takes a long time. If you don't want to use the above methods to find out the size of your folders, there is a third-party solution. Windhawk app. This secure and verified app opens the folder sizes in the size column in File Explorer. Here's how to use it. Open your favorite browser, then go to the official website of the application, which is www.windhawk.net. I will leave you the link in the description below the video. Now, click on the Download button. In case you see a message stating that you cannot establish a connection to the database, as happened to me now, you can use an alternative solution to get the application. This is by going to the application developer account on the GitHub platform. I will leave you the link in the description below the video. Now, locate the latest version of the application, usually at the top of the page. Then click on the link windhawk_setup_offline.exe, you will find that it is larger than 130 megabytes. Just be patient until the download process is complete. Now, let's start installing the application. Run the executable file of the application that you just downloaded, and from the first window of the installation process, select the display language you prefer from the list of languages available to you. From the next window, select the Standard Installation option, then click on the Next button. Click on the Yes button from the User Account Control message. Of course you must have administrator privileges. From the next window, select the components you want to install, then click on the Next button. From the next window, specify the path to install the application. Of course you can leave the default path. Now click on the Install button, then wait for the installation process to finish. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the app. Now, click on the Finish button to open the app. Now, click on the Browse for Mods button, and from the window that will appear, type in the search bar, Better File Sizes in Explorer Details. From the search results, select the card for the add-on we want to install, then click on the Details button. From the window that will appear, click on the Install button. A warning message will appear, with the mod author's details, telling you to use mods from authors you trust. Just click on the Accept the Risk and Install button. Now, go to the Settings tab, then from the Show Folder Sizes section click on the drop-down menu, then select the Enabled, Calculated Manually option to balance speed and accuracy. Finally, click on the Save Settings button to apply the changes. And voila! Now if you go to File Explorer, you will find that the folders have their sizes displayed in the Size column. If you ever want to disable the mod temporarily, go to the Home tab in Windhawk, and toggle it off under Installed Mods. Now if you go to File Explorer, you will find that the folders no longer have their sizes displayed in the Size column. To remove it completely, click Remove Mod. And don't worry, uninstalling Windhawk will automatically remove all mods too. And that's it. Now you know why File Explorer doesn't show folder sizes, and how to make it work for you. Are you ready to try Windhawk? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell for more tech tips that simplify your digital life. Thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.